Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and copy your gate.io user ID, which is known as ID. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Over here is the gate.io, and make sure that you are on the home page, and what you have to do is for you to go over to your profile, which is at the left corner at the upside. So let me go over to it, and over here you can be able to see your user ID and make sure your account is verified. And over here, let me go over to the profile and setting, which is here. And here you're going to see your profile, your security, and your preference. And you're going to see personal page, referral, nickname, username, and many more. And at the upside, you're going to see UID. So my UID number is 25056581. So we find it, and for you to be able to copy it is for you to go over here and tap this thing that is over here, and it said copy successfully. So this is how you'll be able to find and copy your gate.io user ID, your ID. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.